So yeah, I'm headed back from Laughlin, Bullhead City, Laughlin. It's been a long weekend. Anyway, so I headed back Monday morning instead. And as I was coming from the rivers over there, and Vegas is this way, and I was coming up over this ridge. I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere, and I came up on this ridge here and saw this. I thought it was a little miner's site, but I don't think it is. It looks like a crate or some boxes or something. And I like to check this stuff out when I cruise around. So let me just come over this little ridge here. So you can see the river over there. I just came from that direction. And I'm gonna swing it around here. I might stop and look at this. I got just a few minutes. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right. Right there, I can't take my hands off the controls right now, but right where the shadow is of the helicopter, you can see there's like a crate box or something. Normally I see like old mine ruins and stuff like that, but this is a little different. I'm gonna check it out, so let me sit down right here. Let me see if I can find a spot. I might get out and just check it out. There's a good spot right here. I'll come over here and set it down. Let's see, find a little spot here, checking it around. I checked it a couple times as I flew over. Did the high recon, low recon. That's a good spot right there. There she goes. So, I'm gonna figure out how to get the camera out. I'm gonna go just look at it. But so when I'm super remote like this, I always leave it running. So we'll bring it down to idle. Just let it idle. Which I put the throttle lock on and I lock all the controls, so it's not going anywhere.
Chilly, that's for sure. It looks like a crate. This is super strange to be out here like this. Let's see if I can. Turbojet engine. See that? That's crazy. Looks like a stamp from like maybe the military or something. It says turbojet engine, reusable container, do not destroy. Whoops. Shit. Log data and inspection report. So it looks like maybe they came out here and I don't know what that is. But it looks like they came out here and maybe somebody had an engine failure or something. And it's actually a pretty good spot to land, as you can see, it's a good spot. Maybe they had an engine failure and landed here. And they came out and did a remote engine swap. But they took everything but left the box. I don't see anything else. Anyway, so that's a cool spot. I got to mark it on my GPS, and we'll see. Maybe we'll come back here sometime and explore a little more. little chilly this morning, and the breeze is coming up this canyon right here. It's a little chilly. Oh, this just looks like more of the box, maybe. Yeah, the reason I stopped is because it, you know, I see mine ruins and little shacks all over the place, but this looked different. That's why I wanted to stop. Plus, it's a great view.
Back in the chopper now. That was pretty cool, man. I looked around for some like serial numbers and there's some part numbers on that box or something like that, but there was nothing. But clearly there was a jet engine at some point in that box. So maybe do a little research, a deep dive on that. So all right, we'll get out of here. Back to Vegas. We'll loosen up all my my frictions. Tighten up the frictions when I land. All right, we'll come power back up and we'll get out of here. Normal. All right, power's up. Friction's good. Lights on. We'll just go straight out of this game. We got a nice little head breeze, or headwind, so. Nice and easy. All right, we'll get out of here. All right, that's a cool spot. I'll mark it. Come back maybe sometime and check it out. It's a cool little canyon. Got wind in the face and downhill, so that helps a little bit. All right, cheers. Fly safe.